So, did you know that sloths have special hooks in their hands and feet that allow them to hang upside down for almost their whole lives? And a single sloth's fur can be home to many other tiny animals, such as moths, beetles, and mites. Some moth species can only be found living in a sloth fur. Hello everybody! In today's video, we're going to draw sloth. Start by drawing the circle right there. Make sure to draw gently or else it's too hard to erase after this video. And then after that, draw another circle that is the same size as the other circle from the front portion of the body. Also, do it the same length and width. Or width. Now for the head, put the small head sticking to the front portion of the body in that circle. And then after that, add this curve so that we're going to make facial features later on. Then make another curve. Okay, and now after that, do the muzzle do like this circle as the guide for the muzzle. Okay, now after that, for the branch, add this curve right there, and make sure that the lines are connected to the branch. Then make the other side. Okay, now that's it for our initial drawing. Now let's make it more like a defined sketch. Firstly, draw a circle. And then draw another circle. And then after that, press hard and then draw a curve. And then another curve for the eyes. Then make this tiny highlight right there before we make the pupil, and then do the same as the other part right there. Then add those like black circles as guides for pupils. And then you can shade in the whole eye, but don't overlap the highlight. And after that, add some more details in the eyelids. Then for the nose, add a curve. And then add free texture right there. It's okay to make a mistake. You just gotta erase it and do it again so that you may learn from it. Then add those dark parts in the sides of the eyes. Then for the muzzle, add like this curve right there. And then after that, add this curve right there. And then add the furry texture right there. Then make this part right there. So do a curve for the patterns. Then add some furry texture on each side and connect them right there until the end of the head. Then add this part. Then add free texture through it, and then go right there. And then for the other part, add the curve, then add a line, then add another line on the other side. Now that we finished the head, now let's do the whole parts of the body. Firstly, for the legs, add a diagonal line and then reaching through here, because this is a three-toed sloth. And we're going to put like over 3 claws. And then put this part right there. And then for this one, stop in this area. Then make some lines, but if you don't know how to do it, I'll teach you. Firstly, add some lines. Then, once you've done it, you just let go. And then do the same thing as I've told you in the other side of the arm. And now let's trace the whole body parts before. Okay, and then this part, and then after that, add a curve, then add another curve, then add a tail right there. And then go down all the way to there. And now after we do like erasing some guidelines, now let's redraw what we've accidentally erased. And then add this curve right there. And then now let's darken this nose right there. And then make this chin right there. And now let's do some lines. Firstly, remember the steps that I told you, okay? Before we do the branch. This might take a while, but it's fine. And that's it for the sloth. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment if you want more of my videos. And I'll see you later, and tune in next time for more fun animal videos. See you later.